All right, so I'm going to be doing like smaller videos for like updating like the channel for like saying, hey, this is progress of like the updated API and changes for like tutorials, and also my little side project. Well, it's no longer small anymore, but yeah. So last video I said I was updating my project and a lot of the tutorial stuff to use the new low-level physics stuff. So low-level physics don't currently have a TileMap shape in there. So I ended up programming my own one. So I actually do have a TileMap shape that actually is working with low-level physics now. And I'm gonna just disable my player so he doesn't like fall through, and just show you guys this. So as you see, like as I enable and disable it, it takes away like the render debugging, and just to show you that it is actually the thing that's actually colliding with the player's low level, I'm going to disable it, and as you see, like player actually does fall through. So yeah, I got like a custom tile map collider. I do need to work on like some of the tightness around the edges for like some of the sprites and stuff. That's going to be a work in progress, but I do have it working, and you can use Delaney meshes for it if you guys want. The other things that I'm probably going to be doing next before I do like a huge like boss fight build, I gotta update the interaction system so you can do dialogue and certain interactions with like characters and stuff. So currently can't speak to any of the test NPCs or anything. Another thing is I need to create my own Cinemachine components. Because currently, if we actually go to like any of the rooms and we go to like the virtual cameras, Cinemachine Confiner currently uses a box slider 2D. I could just keep the box sliders in there because they won't interact with the low-level physics system. But I kind of want to just like see how far I can get with only low-level physics. So I'm going to be writing my own Cinemachine Confiner 2D. But for low-level physics, and up to, like adding support for different types of like PhysicsChape colliders and stuff like that. So I got to do that. Got to update the interaction system and then hitboxes, and then we can start going. I can start like sharing the interactable like magic and terrain and stuff like that. Ironically, I got more of that done than other stuff. It's just kind of meaningless until I actually be able to like use magic on enemies or like have it spread with tiles. One of the reasons why I was wanting to do like a custom like a little tile shape as well is because I can now like I can have it kind of, I can have like fire spread across like grass tiles better. I had it working where you could burn vines, but it wasn't the best. That's one of the reasons why I'm like moving to the low-level physics, because I realized, oh, I could actually do this way better with the low-level physics. So I gotta fully update or finish updating the interaction system and hitboxes and create my own Cinemachine confiner 2D for low-level physics. And then after that, I can actually start getting into like the interacting with terrain, like creating ice pillars, freezing water, burning vines, and stuff like that with the physics system. I think at that point, I'm going to just like make a low-level physics 2D tutorial, how to create your own like colliders, certain things. I just want to play with the system first to make sure I'm looking at this right and I'm doing it correctly, and I'm not like sharing like bad information. I think at this point, since I can actually like create my own like tile map collider or tile map like shape with low-level physics, I'm gotten a lot more confident with it. But yeah. That's pretty much all I want to do. Like I said, I'll be doing smaller videos, sharing like updates and so forth from here on out. But I'm going to call it for this video. And next video, I'll have interaction, custom cameras. Actually, the next video might be like the UI toolkit. Because I think at this point, like UNC 6.3's UI toolkit stuff is like API like safe to use. Only thing that I know is changing is changes to like the custom shader stuff. That might change a little bit. I think they just finished updating the documentation. We'll find out. But yeah, anyways, that's it. Take care, everyone.